Hey, hi everybody. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm Dr. Manish Pathak from Pathak Dental Clinic. So today we are going to talk about one of the most common cause of severe dental issue or the severe dental pain, and we're going to talk about wisdom tooth today. I guess out of every three patient, one patient have gone through this experience of your wisdom tooth, either in a good way or in a bad way. So what is this wisdom tooth basically? See, wisdom tooth is the last molar that tend to erupt in your late teens between your 14 to 28 years of age, and there are four wisdom tooth, two in the upper, two in the lower. There are few lucky people whereby they do not have this wisdom tooth, or it does not tend to erupt, but they, I guess, there are very few chances that it does not come out. So what happens when this wisdom tooth comes out? Why is it like that serious thing that we need to look out for? See, basically, when a wisdom tooth emerges or it comes out completely, it may not have any impact or discomfort, or it may not cause any severe dental issues. But when it comes out partially, or when it comes out in a crooked way, whereby it tends to pushes your second molar or the tooth that is adjacent to it, it may have a serious impact. See, when it comes out in a way like partially, it tends to have pressure within your jaw. It may cause severe pressure within the jaw that may actually radiate to your ear or half of your jaw, sometimes unilaterally on your face, and it requires serious consult, and then you need to go to your dentist. So when you go to a dentist or dental clinic, the dentist is going to take an x-ray. He's going to tell you about the position of the wisdom tooth, how it is and how it has been erupted, and he'll explain you that whether it is close to the nerve, how are the roots, what are the consequences if you do not remove it, what are the consequences when you leave it untreated, and he'll tell you about, like, it may cause decay in the adjacent tooth, there may be food lodgement, there may be crowding or malalignment in your anterior tooth. Sometimes it may lead to pus accumulation, abscess, cyst formation. There are many things that it may technically lead to. So in that cases, it becomes very essential to make sure that you get it removed when it causes severe issues like pain or pus accumulation, or it tends to pressure, it tends to exert pressure on your adjacent tooth. Most of the patients that when they come to my clinic, they have this thought in their mind that removal of wisdom tooth may have impact on their eyes, or it may affect their ear because it's very close to the nerve. Some of the dentists, they say that yeah, since it is like very close to the nerve, it may have an effect on some, I don't know. They just keep talking about those things, but let me tell you one thing: if it is removed properly with proper surgical guidelines or proper skill, you may not have any issue. And believe me, there is no correlation between your eyes and your wisdom tooth, or it may not have any impact, except if you leave it untreated, it may lead to pus accumulation or cyst formation. It may then have a severe serious concern. So when the dentist calls you, when the dentist tells you about your wisdom tooth, that it requires surgical approach, most of the patient, they are completely afraid, and they start assuming stuff. Let me tell you one thing to all my patients, that do not worry. Removal of wisdom tooth is very comfortable, despite you may have some symptoms like swelling post operatively, there may be limited mouth opening, but if you tend to follow proper guidelines or proper advice of your dentist, you may have not to suffer or go through that discomfort too. Okay. So depending upon the position of your wisdom tooth, when your dentist tells you, sometimes the dentist may tell you to get your CBCT done or three-dimensional X-ray done in order to locate the position of the inferior canal or the nerve, so that the surgical approach or the approach that he has to take up for your removal of wisdom tooth has to be changed accordingly. Okay. So the next question by most of the other question that most of the patients, they keep asking me, that how much time will it take? See, the time, it depends upon the position of the wisdom tooth, the surgical approach that we are going to go through. So time is never in, it's never in, like, nobody can tell you that this that will take out the wisdom tooth in this much of time, and that and this. But comparatively, when you compare the upper wisdom tooth, they are comparatively easy to remove. Sometimes you may need a surgical approach for that too, but comparatively, when you compare to lower wisdom tooth, upper are comparatively very easy to remove. But when you see the lower wisdom tooth, when they require the surgical aspect, it may take about half an hour to 1 hour. It may require stitches, sometimes sutures, that are. So after removal of your wisdom tooth, see if the wisdom tooth is what are the things that may happen after removal of the wisdom tooth. Sometimes the patient may have paresthesia when the wisdom tooth is very close to the nerve. Okay, the patient may have swelling because what we do is we need to remove the bone that is overlying your wisdom tooth. Patient may have trismus or limited mouth opening. There may be discomfort, but then your dentist will prescribe you with some antibiotics, with sometimes antiproteolytic enzymes, painkillers, so that you don't have to go through that discomfort. But the swelling may last up to 2-3 days or 3-4 days of discomfort is very obvious after any surgical approach. But then let me tell you one thing, that most of the surgeons, or most of the when the wisdom tooth is been removed properly or with proper skill and everything, you may not have that much of discomfort. So if you have any issues, like if you have any wisdom tooth related issue, or if you have any severe pain that tends to affect your ear unilaterally on your jaw, and sometimes when you feel that heaviness, go visit your dentist. Make sure that you go to them and take their advice. If they are telling you, if they are asking you about if they're telling you about removal of it, go for it. Now the charges, now this is one thing that I have experienced a lot. Now most of the patients are like, why do you charge, or why the removal of wisdom tooth is so expensive or so costlier when you compare to the other. So talking about the charges, let me tell you one thing, that the charges are often it is one thing that actually requires skill. Removal of wisdom tooth requires skill. It doesn't come out that easily. You will need a surgical experience, you will require surgical skill for it to remove it. And also the position is also very important, that how the what is the position of the wisdom tooth to decide the charges for it. Sometimes a dentist may charge you 3,000 rupees for a wisdom tooth, some may charge you 4,000, 5,000. It depends upon the position of the wisdom tooth. Not all wisdom tooth are alike, and hence the charges cannot be same for every wisdom tooth. Okay, so sometimes the patient says that it's very expensive, we cannot afford it. See, it is a protocol that when you follow any surgical treatment that is being done, it is a slight expensive when you compare to the other approaches. Okay, so if you have any issues related to your wisdom tooth, or if you have any concern about the wisdom tooth, you want to know about it, you want to you need an advice, or you want us to, if you need any detail, you can call me on my number, you can visit our website, or you can you can come to Pathak Dental Clinic. We're always open for you. So thank you. I hope the information or the video is a little informative, though there are many things that is supposed to be told, and there are many technical things that is been that is supposed to be explained. But I always say that it's like telling your patient, so we need to keep it very simple rather than complicating, or rather than telling things that they may find it very difficult. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and thank you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.